Hi all, welcome to Perseverance Software Institution. Alright, so today we'll get started with what is a Docker container and also what is a container image, right? So, all right, so let's get started. Yeah. All right, so there is sort of confusion, while we get started or while we go through these uh, tools, right, like Docker, which is a container creation tool, which provides us a platform for creating containers, right? So we'll just focus on understanding what is a container and what is an image so that you will be able to understand what exactly these two are and how they work together. All right, okay, let's get started with the technical aspects. So when we talk about container, so see, container is something like it is a it is the exact place where our applications will run. So consider A1 is our application, okay, and it needs definitely something which are called as dependencies, okay, without which this A1 cannot run. All right, in these cases, right, definitely we need a dependency d1, where which helps us to run application even, right? So what our containers exactly are is that a container is something where all the required dependencies to run a software will be embedded, and it provides the required environment for that particular software to run actively. Okay, so that's all about container. So container will not have any other stuff other than the required dependencies and the application itself. Okay, so other than that there will be nothing else which will be inside the container. Okay, so that is the fact of matter of a container. So but the thing is, someone should tell what needs to be run inside a container, correct? We are discussing about, okay, we need application even to be to run inside a container with the dependency d1, but we should tell them, right? The way of telling them is via images. Okay, images, we can simply understand that images are nothing but a template of a container, meaning what all required to run a software inside a container, and also how a software should run. Everything is basically embedded within a container. So it's all about, Docker image is all about a template where we define all the dependencies and even the application, you know application itself within a Docker image, where using image we create a container. Okay, without an image we cannot create any container. Okay, just keep that in mind. So I usually call this something like, I will tell in a simple sentence, container is this, right? This is a Docker. I told container is where exactly our application runs on, and Docker images are nothing but a template for creating a container. So we define everything uh, which all we need to be hosted inside a container. So everything is defined here inside the Docker image. Okay, right. Okay, so simply we can call, uh, you know, um, these two are completely related, right? So without a Docker image, we cannot create a container. Okay, so I would say a running instance of an image is a container. Simply, a running instance of an image is a container, right? So we basically run an image which creates a container for us. So we'll see that in other videos. So for now, just get the clarity of what is a container and what is an images. All right, so container is all about where exactly we run our applications, where an application might need a lot many dependencies, and everything else for running the application should be available inside the container. So all about defining all these configurations is Docker image. So Docker image is a template where we define all these, step by step, where what all is needed for, running inside a container. Okay. Fine, guys. I hope this video helps you. Thanks a lot. I'll get back to you with a informative and knowledge sharing session further. Thank you. Thanks from Team Perseverance.